Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to complete activity 4 to 7. It means 4, 5, 6, and 7. The remaining activities of lesson number 13. In previous classes, already we have completed reading, understanding and question answer of lesson number 13. In today's class, we are going to complete remaining all the activities of lesson number 13. So let's start today's class. Okay, so first activity number 3. So what is activity number 3 here given? Activity number 3, it is given here. Now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. So first one, it is given, if something is worthy a try, it means that. What does it mean, this word worthy a try? Here options are given. It cost a lot of money. No. It is useless to try. It is also not. And the third one, it is given, it is a good thing to try. Yes, this will be the correct answer. In the story, in the paragraph when we were reading the lesson, there it was explained that Mr. Chiesu is saying to Chisimba, it is a worthy a try. Means what is happening, that Chisimba is offering that shall I bring the things from the town for you free of cost, just you have to pay me the fare. Okay, so both Mr. Chiesu and Mrs. Musole both are agree on this, and Mr. Chiesu is saying to Simba, it is a worthy a try. It means it is good things to try. Okay, so first answer will be C. Now the second one, it is given, as Chisimba leaves, he says, doors are opening. This means that as he is moving, Chisimba is moving towards his home. So he is saying to Rose and Musonda that doors are opening. What does it mean? So first one, it is given, the things he is trying are working out. So this will be the answer. Means whatever things he is trying, that are working out, and he is getting the opportunity for that. Whatever he is trying, he is getting the opportunity, he is getting success in that. So that only doors are opening. First one. Second one, it is given, he is ready to walk into the house. No. Third one, it is given, someone is holding a door open for him. So this is also not. So first one is the answer here. Second one, that the things he is trying are working out. So in this manner we have completed activity number 3. So now let's move to the next activity. Activity number 4. In activity number 4, it is given, your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with the each of the words below. Here some words are given, 10 words are there, and what you need to do, you need to make the sentence from each word. Okay, so first word, it is given consult. So already you are knowing the meaning of consult. When I taught the lesson, that time I have explained you all the hard words. So consult, what is the meaning of consult? That when two or more than two people are talking regarding anything, that is called consult. Okay, so you may make sentence that Mohan is going to consult with his parent, or Mohan is going to consult with his brother. So in this manner any sentence can be made. Next word, it is given earns. Okay, so you may make sentence that Mr. Syam earns rupees 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Okay, so earns you can make sentence. Next one, it is given returned. If we are coming from anywhere, that is called returned. Like suppose you have gone to your that maternal uncle's home, nani ghar. Okay, and then after You are coming back from your maternal uncle's home to back. So that is called returned. So Mr. Syam returned from Mumbai. So in that manner you can make sentence, or you can say that I returned from the school. Okay, next word is there, it is given tempted. The meaning of tempted is there to provoke someone, to that you give the greed to anyone to provoke someone to do something, that is called tempted. Okay, so you may say that the brother tempted his little sister to bring the money from home. Okay, you may make sentence that the brother tempted his sister not to say the father what he was doing. Okay, like that you can make sentence. Next word is that promised. Okay, promised, that Sita promised her brother that she will not do anything wrong. Okay, in the same manner you can make different sentences according to your choice. Next one is that exchange. What is the meaning of exchange? Meaning of exchange is there, instead of giving something, means like for getting something, in the return you are giving something, that is called exchange. Like you may make sentence that you give me your pen, in exchange I will give you my pencil. Okay, like that you can make sentence. Next one is that agree. Agree means when we are ready to do something, that is called agree. Okay, that the shopkeeper agree to give the things on less price. Okay, like that you make sentence. Welcome. So you are welcome in my home. You can make sentence like that. You are warmly welcome in the sports meet of Neura High School. Like that you can make sentence. Normally I woke up at 5 o'clock. Okay, or you make sentence that normally she wakes up at 6 o'clock. Save something, when we are saving something, that is called save. Okay, Mohan save rupees 500 in this month. Or you need to save money for your future use. Like that you may make sentence. One sentence you have to make. Now the next activity, it is given, write 2 or 3 sentences about what you read in this lesson. Whatever you have read in this lesson, you have to write here 2 or 3 sentences. So many things you have read in this lesson. In this lesson you have read that Jisimba he is trying and he is succeed in his work. So in the same manner, whenever we also try to do something, then what will happen? We will also success. We will get also success. Okay, so you have to write few sentence here about the lesson, that what you have learned in this lesson. Okay, or whatever you have read in this lesson. Whole chapter is that. So in your words, some sentence you will write here, 2 or 3 sentences. Now the next activity is this is the last activity, number 7. Memorize the following quotation after you have discussed the questions below with your friends. So I am going to read the quotation first. Here quotation it is given here. Make ye a mighty effort. Make ye a mighty effort and choose for yourself a noble goal. So first try to understand what is the meaning of this quotation. Here it is asked from us. This is a quotation. It is given by God. It is given by the manifestation of God. So this quotation, it is in this quotation God is saying to us that make ye a mighty effort. What he is giving, he is saying to us, you have to make, means we have to make. We have to make a mighty effort. Mighty means a very great or big. Okay, we have to make a mighty effort and choose for yourself a noble goal. So for you have to try yourself how much you are having capacity. You must try, and you have to must put your efforts, all whole effort, and try to choose for yourself a noble goal. Noble means great goal, good goal, noble, which is good. For you, for yourself, or for ourselves, we have to choose a noble goal, and we must try our level best. We have to make a mighty effort, not that I have tried and not happening so I have left. No, a mighty effort you have to make. Okay, so this is the meaning of this quotation. And now we are going to read here question. It is given, two questions are there on the basis of this quotation. First one, it is given, what kind of goals should we choose? So already given the answer in the quotation only, that what kind of goals should we choose? What kind of goal should we choose? Okay, you will write that we should choose a noble goal. Okay, what kind of goal should we choose? Then you may write that we should choose a noble goal. The second one, it is given, how much effort should we make to reach them? Means for to reach our goal, how much effort we have to make? We should make. So the answer will be that we should make mighty effort to reach our goal. Okay, we should make mighty effort to reach our goal. Second one answer. So in this manner you will complete. Okay, now our lesson is going to end now. So today's assignment, so here first assignment, it is given, complete activity 5, 6, 7 of lesson 13 in your book. Okay, 5, 6 and 7, these three activity you are going to complete in your book. Now the next activity, complete activity number 4 in your copy. 4 number activity you have to complete in your copy, that is sentence. You have to make sentence from each word, one sentence, and memorize the quotation in of lesson 13. Here in activity number 7, one quotation it is given, you must learn that quotation. So this is today's homework. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks. This is all for today's. Thank you everyone.